Hey kids, it's me, Teacher A. So this is a requested video on zero and integral exponents. Okay, are you ready? Okay, let's start. Yes, you heard it right. This one is a requested video. Okay, how to make a request? All you have to do is to key in or send in your request in the comment section below of this video. Okay? Are you ready? Let's get started. So in this video, we're just going to simplify expressions with zero and integral exponent. So, tingnan nyo to. Ibig sabihin nito, yung buong negative 2 ang naka-raise sa 4. Okay? Compare nyo dito. Dito naman, si 2 lang ang naka-raise kay 4. Hindi kasama yung negative. Okay? So, if we want to get the numerical answer here, ang ibig sabihin itong unang expression ay negative 2, yeah, times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. Okay, yan yung ibig sabihin yan. Okay, and what is the answer? What is negative 2 times negative 2? Positive 4. Positive 4 times negative 2, you'll get negative 8. Negative 8 times a negative 2, you will get positive 16. Okay? O, tingnan naman natin ito. Again, ang naka-raise lang sa 4 ay yung 2. Okay? So, yung negative, kokopyahin ko lang dito. Negative. Okay? And then, I'm going to have apat na 2. So, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Okay? What do we get? Ito, 16. Okay? But you have a negative outside. So the final answer here is negative 16. Okay? Okay. Oh, more. Paano naman kapag negative yung exponent? Okay? So, sige nga, how do we write this without a negative exponent? Ano mangyayari? Diba? This becomes 1 over negative 2, yung buong negative 2 ha. Okay? Yan. Raised to positive 4. Magiging positive na siya kasi nilagay na natin siya sa ilalim. Alright? Or we take the reciprocal of negative 2. Okay? So, yan yun. Okay? And then if you simplify further, this becomes 1 over, what is negative 2? Raised to 4. Sinolve na natin kanina. Okay? So, you will get yan. Alright? Okay. What about this one? Sino ang naka-raise sa negative 4? Si 2 lamang. Right? Anong gagawin natin kay negative sign dito? Iiwan natin siya sa taas. So, you may want to write negative 1. Okay? Over 2 raised to positive 4. Okay? And you will get negative 1 over 16. Okay? Kapag may negative kayo dito, equal lang ito sa 1 over negative 16. Pareho lang yon. Okay? Pareho lang din ito dun sa negative sa gitna. Negative 1 over 16. Pare-pareho lang sila. Okay? So, pipili kayo kung saan nyo gustong ilagay ang negative sign. So, what do you mean by this again? Sinong naka-raise sa 3? Buong negative 2. So, you're going to have negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. What do you get? Negative 2 times negative 2, you will get positive 4. Positive 4 times negative 2, you will get negative 8. Right? Okay. What about the second example? Ito. Sino naka-raise sa 3? Si 2 lamang. Okay? So, ang gagawin nyo kay negative, kakopy nyo lang siya. Tapos, ang imumultiply nyo lang 3 times sa sarili niya ay 2. So, you'll have 2 times 2 times 2. Okay? Ito, 2 times 2 times 2, you will get 8. Right? But don't forget that you have a negative sign outside. So, you'll have negative 8. Yan. Kita nyo? So, parehong negative 8 ang sagot dito. Okay? Alright. Okay. So, ito. Paano naman to? Sino yung naka-raise sa negative 3? Si negative 2. So, yung negative 2, bababa siya sa denominator. Like that. Tapos, you're going to have positive 3. Alright? So, you'll have 1 over, what is negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2? Negative 8. Okay? What about this one? Sinong naka-raise sa negative 3? Eto lang. Okay? Yung negative na sign may iwan sa numerator. So, you'll have negative 1 over 2 raised to positive 3. Okay? And if you simplify, you will get negative 1 over 8. At pareho lang ito. Okay? Kasi it doesn't matter kung saan yung isusulat ang negative. Okay? So, pareho. They are just equal. Alright? Okay, so let's simplify more expressions involving zero and integral exponents. Okay, let's have number 3. Okay? Since wala namang complications sa loob, walang same yung base, you may immediately distribute this negative 3. Okay? Inside. What do I mean by that? Don't forget your constant here kapag nagdi-distribute kayo ng exponent. Alright? So that's why I suggest to my students, you always make arrows para alam niyo kung saan i-distribute yung exponent. So what do we have here? 3 raised to negative 3, right? And then a raised to, what do we do with the exponents here? Exponent, another exponent. So you multiply. What is negative 2 times negative 3? You will get positive 6. Right? Okay, and then finally we have b raised to 4 times negative 3. You will get negative 12. So b raised to negative 12. Okay? So after that, kapag may negative exponent kayo, ilalagay nyo lang sa denominator. So you're going to have a raised to 6 over, so itong 3 raised to negative 3 para maging positive 3 ang exponent, ilalagay natin sa ilalim. Same with b raised to negative 12. Magiging b raised to 12 siya sa denominator. Alright? Okay, and then simplifying further, what do we get? A raised to 6 over, what is 3 cubed? 3 times 3 times 3, you will get 27. And then, I will copy b raised to 12. Okay? So, ganun lang. Alright? Okay, let's move on. Eto, paano to? O kapag nakakita kayo ng zero exponent, tapos ang base naman hindi zero, this is automatically 1. Right? So, you only have negative 2 times 4. What do you get? What is negative 2 times 4? Negative 8. So, magkakaroon kayo ng ganito. Negative 8 raised to negative 2. Okay? O, paano ko to gagawing positive yung exponent? Okay? Ilalagay ko sa ilalim. Kasama yung negative sign kasi buong negative 8 ang naka-raise kay negative 2. So, I'm going to have 1 over yung buong negative 8. Okay? And then, raised to positive 2. Okay? So, simplifying, what do we get? You'll get, what is negative 8 times negative 8? Positive 64. So, you're going to have 1 over positive 64. Okay? Okay. So, number 5. Yay! Meron uling exponent 0. So, anong ibig sabihin yan? This becomes 1. Okay? So, ito na lang ang meron kayo sa loob. 4x squared z raised to negative 5 and then quantity raised to 3. Kapag basic lang naman yung nasa loob, again, you may want to distribute the exponent na right away. Okay? So, anong mangyayari? You'll have 4 raised to 3, right? And then x raised to 2 times 3, you will get 6. Okay? And then finally, we have z raised to negative 15. Yeah? And then we try to write this expression without negative exponent. Okay? And of course, we try to evaluate 4 cube. What is 4 cube? What is 4 times 4 times 4? What do you get? You will get 64. Okay? So, you'll have 64x raised to 6. Okay? Para maging positive ang exponent niya, ilalagay ko lang siya sa denominator. Okay? So, ito ang tamang sagot. 'Di ba? So, it takes a lot of practice para ma-master ninyo ang zero and integral exponents. Okay, let's do more. Okay, what about number 6? Okay, so don't forget you have a negative sign here. Okay, so you may want to write negative 1. May negative 1 dyan. Para kapag sinabi ko sa inyo, i-distribute nyo tong exponent na ito dito. Okay? Pero hindi naman nagmamatter yon kasi it's just 1. Okay? Tapos ito, i-distribute ko dito. I-distribute ko rin siya dito. What do we have? Okay? Ito yung magiging itsura niya. Negative 1 raised to negative 1 kasi dito. Okay? And then, 5 raised to negative 2 times negative 1, positive 2. Okay? And then finally, m raised to 3 times negative 1, negative 3. Ganun lang. Okay? Tapos, we try to write this without negative exponent. So, ganito siya. So, ang maiiwan lang sa taas si 5 squared. Kasi nga, positive ang exponent niya. Okay? Sa ilalim, mapupunta yung negative 1, yeah, raised to positive 1 na. Okay? Tapos yung m, magiging positive 3 ang exponent. Okay? And then, if you evaluate, what do you get? You will get 5 squared, you will have 25. Okay? What is negative 1 raised to 1? It is negative 1. Negative 1 times m cube, you will get negative m cube. Okay? Pwedeng iyan na yung sagot. Or sabi ko nga, kahit saan nyo ilagay yung negative sign, pwedeng negative 25 over m cube. Pwede rin sa gitna, negative 25 over m cube. Pareho lang sila. Okay? So, ganyan. Alright, okay. Another one. Let's try another one. Meron bang zero exponent? Yes, ito. Gawin nyo kaagad, 1 yan. Okay, so 1 na yan. Okay, so ito, since basic naman yung nasa loob ng parenthesis, I suggest, i-distribute nyo na kaagad yung exponent. Okay, so what do you get? Let us write 2 raised to, what is negative 1 times negative 3? Positive 3. Ito, a raised to negative 6, right? And then b raised to negative 3. Okay? And then multiplied by, ito, kung gusto nyo, simplify na natin. Okay? So, si b lang naman yung may kapareho. Alright? So, ganito ang mangyayari. Okay? Si 4 will stay in the denominator. Okay? Kasi wala naman siyang negative exponent. Okay? Okay. Ngayon, si a raised to negative 1, pupunta siya sa taas para maging a raised to positive 1. Okay? Etong b raised to negative 4, pupunta sa ilalim kasi negative ang exponent niya. Para maging positive ang exponent, ilalagay natin sa ilalim. Okay? Pero don't forget the b here. Okay? So, let me write b. And then, you have b raised to positive 4. Like that. Okay? And then, let's simplify further. Okay? So, ito, what is 2 raised to 3? It is 8. So, you can write 8 over, since parehong negative ang exponent nila, ilalagay ko sa ilalim, a raised to 6 and then b cubed. Okay? Times a raised to 1, it is simply a over, this is 4. What is b times b raised to 4? If you have like this, what do? You copy the base. Okay? You copy the base and you add the exponent. So 1 plus 4, you'll get 5. Okay? Okay. And then you try to simplify further. Okay? Kapag ganito, itong 8 at saka 4 magka-cancel out kasi may common factor sila. Ito, this becomes 1. Ito, pag tinanggal ko yung 4, kasi 4 times 2 ito, di ba? 2 na lang ang matitira. Okay? And then what else? Si A. Ito, mawawala na yung A dito kasi 1, may 1 na A dyan, exponent 1. Ito naman, tatanggalan ko lang ng 1 na exponent. Okay? It becomes A raised to 5. Okay? Okay, so let us write the answer here. So you have 2 in the numerator because of this. Nawala na yung A. Nag-cancel with A raised to 6. Okay? So anong natira sa A? A raised to 5. Okay, what about for B? You have B cubed times B raised to 5. Okay, so what do? You copy B and then you add the exponents. You will get 8. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Okay, lastly, we have this number. So if we're going to answer this number, tapos nalilito talaga kayo sa mga negative exponents, okay, pwede naman hindi nyo muna i-apply yung quotient rule. Like you subtract the exponents, pwede namang hindi muna yon. Okay, ang pwede nyo munang gawin, you make all the exponents positive. Okay, gawin nyo muna, isulat nyo ito such that wala nang negative exponents. What do I mean by that? Ganito. Okay, so ika-copy ko lang yung raised to negative 2. Okay? So, gaya nito, x raised to negative 6, ilalagay ko siya dito para maging positive 6. Okay? Yung y raised to 4, retained na lang siya dito kasi positive naman yung exponent niya. And then, yung 2, dyan lang siya. Okay? Kasi wala naman siyang negative exponent. Yung x raised to negative 9, itataas ko. Okay? Kasi para maging positive ang exponent. And then finally, we have y raised to negative 2. Mapupunta siya dito sa taas. Okay? Tapos times, eto kaya na natin itong isimplify. Magiging x over y cube. Diba? Okay, let's simplify further. Ngayon, pwede na kayong mag-proceed dun sa quotient rule or multiplication rule. Okay? Kagaya nito. Okay? You can simplify this. Saan yan equal? X raised to 3. Kasi 9 minus 6, you get 3. Okay? What about for y? What do? You add naman the exponents. Copy y, and then what is 4 plus 2? 6. Okay? And then over 2. Okay? Don't forget, you have a negative 2 here outside. Ito, wala pa tayong magagawa. So, just copy x over y cube. Okay? Okay, let's continue. Again, paano ko to gagawing positive ang exponent? What do I mean by that? Paano siya magiging positive 2? Ayan, no? Tinanggal ko na yung negative exponent. You switch the numerator and the denominator. Okay, so magiging ganito. Okay, and then I will copy x over y cube. Okay, ayan, pwede nyo lang i-distribute yung exponent. You have 2 squared, and then dito, i-distribute, tsaka dito. Okay, so what do we get? We're going to get 2 squared, it's 4, right? Over x raised to, you multiply, okay? So, you'll get 6. Y raised to 12. And then, multiplied by x over y cube. Okay? And then, we simplify. I think si x lang naman ang magka-cancel. Yung isang x dito, ito magiging 5. Right? So, our final answer is 4 over x raised to 5. Kasi nag-cancel dito yung isang x, okay? And then, y raised to, you add the exponents, y raised to 15. This is going to be the final answer. Okay? Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video. Again, you may send in your requests in the comment section below. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video and share this video to your friends. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in my next video.